Welcome to Bright Mind Tones. Please subscribe our channel. Today the name of the story is The Last Forest.
In a once thriving forest, animals like frogs, birds, and insects lived in harmony. As temperatures rose and rains became unpredictable, the forest began to wither. Frogs faced heat stress, birds struggled with disrupted migration patterns, and insects vanished, leading to a silent forest. The remaining animals gathered, realizing that their survival depended on the health of their habitat. They decided to act, planting trees and restoring their environment. Slowly, the forest began to heal and life returned.
Moral of the story is protecting our environment ensures the survival of all living beings. Thank you for watching Bright Mind Tones.